Hi guys, you're watching JT Jones. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, and by the way, click on the bell icon so that you receive daily notifications.
What's happening guys, this is Jones here back with another video, and in this video we will see how to create glitch effect photos on your Android phone itself simply and instantaneously with a click of a button. So without any further delays, let's get started with the video. So the app icon looks like this, and as usual all the links are down in the description box below, and we can see that it has over 1 million downloads and has a rating of 4.1, which is pretty amazing. So let's go ahead and open the app itself. Once you open the app, it says select an image to get started. Whether you want to take a photo or you can take a photo that is already saved in the gallery of your phone. So I will take a photo of mine. So that's it. Once I took my photo, I have to click on the save button. Once I click on the save button, I will get effects, glitch effects like this. There are tons of effects in the bottom left corner of the phone. So you can click over here to change your glitch effects. Once you get your desired glitch effect, this is not desired at all. This is okay, or maybe this, maybe this. So once you get your desired glitch effect, you can go to the settings option, which is in the middle, and you can change or fiddle with the random seed, RGB shift, intensity and thickness. For example, I can change the RGB shift to look minimal or look a little more wild, I would say, but I will go with the minimal look. And you can also add some random seed, which is random glitch effects that will look cool on your photo. You can also change the intensity to more or less. I will keep it minimal. You can also change the thickness of the RGB shift, which I will keep to thick so that it looks amazing. So that's it. And here we have one more option to change the brightness and the contrast of your photos. So this is a very simple app. You can just go and save your photo here. Once you click on save, images saved in glitch folder. So that's it for this simple tutorial guys. In this video I think you have learned how to create glitch effect photos instantly on your Android phone itself. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, it's Jones and I am signing off.